So if you own a BMW and you have a misfire, you should check this first. These cars, when they get around 100,000 miles, they become very prone to valve cover gasket leaking, and that is almost across all the models. The valve cover gasket is right there next to the exhaust. It wears out and starts leaking. In addition to that, though, whenever that valve cover starts leaking, there's like a little pedestal inside of here that also seals in the valve cover. So inside of these holes fills up with engine oil. Then the engine oil gets on the coil packs, things are wet, they become very unhappy, and then your car starts to misfire.